Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace and today I'm joined by David Collins, Head of Financial Services for GFT, and we're going to be discussing blockchain within the financial market. Hello David, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thank you, Hannah.
Firstly, we're hearing a lot about the potential benefits of blockchain, but adoption in the financial market in particular appears to be very slow. Can you tell me, what are your thoughts on this?
I think the financial markets face a couple of very unique challenges when talking about blockchain. One of it is the sophistication of the players within the whole ecosystem. The second one is the volume. Can blockchain technology actually deal with the volume that's required to support any one of the asset classes? And we're not just talking about average daily volume. What the requirement is to be able to deal with extreme events like the collapse of Lehman's and what happens to volumes thereafter. So if you think about changes within financial markets over the last 30 years, most of them have been regulatory driven. And in the adoption of blockchain or distributed ledger technology, there is no regulatory pressure to do so. So we're reliant on the market itself saying there's a reason for doing this, and the reason is very large cost savings that are available to it. But it's going to take some time for us to be able to get there. Having said that, we are starting to see some progress.
All right, and so if progress is being made, albeit slowly, where is GFT seeing most activity today?
So most of what we've seen so far has been in sort of private networks and smaller systems where the volumes or the level of sophistications are reasonably low, which is a significant step forward because it proves that the technology is capable of supporting the kind of volumes that professional markets require.
All right, and finally then, what do you think the market reaction will be to these findings?
We believe it should be extremely positive. We've proven that the digital asset technology is perfectly capable of dealing with the level of sophistication of a professional marketplace. We've also proven now that it can deal with the kind of volumes that are required under extreme market circumstances like the Lehman collapse. We're going to put all of these findings together in a white paper and publish it so the market can see how we arrived at these conclusions. In terms of adoption, we're already seeing the likes of Australian Stock Exchange pushing forward, and we think there are going to be some others that will follow in their footsteps quite soon. We also think there will be some easier asset classes with better use cases that we can drive out faster. But in terms of wholesale market adoption, it's going to take some time. Without the regulatory driver in place, we're wholly reliant on all of the participants coming together and chasing after the cost savings that are available to them.
Fantastic. Well, David, this has been a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.